How to turn off page manage comment notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off page manage comment notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite, and here just click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it, go down here, you will find settings, and then click notifications. And now just go down until you find the pages you manage, and then select your page and click page interactions, and here you will find comments. Just turn it off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.